guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, this is the bonus vlog for the week and you know what that means. We are going to unbox everything POPMART. Yes, I'm so excited because we are going to unbox many POPMART goodies for today. So we have Skull Panda, we have Mickey and Family, and many more. So I'm excited to be sharing everything to you. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 to 6,000 subbies. We're almost there. Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate every new subscription. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us begin the unboxing. So most of them are inside the box. I just, remove some packaging. So let us start. So what do we have here? So here we have... This is one of POPMART's latest collection, and it is the Mickey family. So this one, guys, I'm so happy that I finally got this one. So here are the choices that we have. So of course we have Mickey Mouse, we have Minnie, so we have Pluto, we have Donald Duck, we have Daisy, we have Goofy, then we have Chip and Dale, and of course we have the secret. So for the secret, that is what? I think 1 in 90 something chance. So that this is the Huey, Dewey, Louie, the nephews of Donald Duck. So this one, so let us unbox. So as you know guys, last week I was able to unbox my very first Demo X Disney, which I was so happy with that unboxing. So now this is new in my collection and I'm so excited and see. By the way guys, what I really wanted to have here of course would be actually Mickey, Minnie, Chip and Dale, Donald Duck, everything here I would want because this is my very first time. So let us see. Okay, I actually don't like the new box. Ugh, I really don't like the new box of POPMART, guys. So now let us just of course remove the packaging first and let us put it here. So there is nothing special with the packaging. Oh, this is quite small. So who do you think she is? So let us unbox her now. I'm so anxious at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, oh my god, oh wow, I got my top pick guys. I'm so excited. So we have Donald Duck. Let me just get the card. And you know why guys, why I'm really happy? Because with our last week's unboxing, the Demo X Disney, I got Daisy Duck. So I don't need to purchase the Daisy Duck for this character because I already have this. Wow, super cute. If I could just get my Demo Daisy, let me just get her for you. But first, here, this is the front guys. This is the first time I'm looking at this one, although it is quite small. I was surprised, or maybe I was just imagining it would be the same size as the Demo. So I believe this face is made of vinyl face, just like the regular Labubu. So that is the front. Of course, he has this clothes over here, and then can we pose? No, there is no wire on the hand, so we cannot post their wire. And of course we have the vinyl feet of Daffy Duck, and of course we have the silver ring over here so we can attach on our bag. So let me just compare with my Demo Disney. Super cute, love her. Just so guys, just a very quick comparison. So this is my Demo X Disney. I got this one last week, which she is also one of my first choice, my prio. And then Donald Duck is one of my prio for the Mickey family. Oh my god, super cute. So now, I'm so happy. Of course, for the Demo X Disney, I do not need to get Donald Duck and vice versa because I could now carry them together on my bag like this. Super cute. What do you think? Kindly comment down below. Alright guys, look what we have here. So I know I already mentioned that last week since I got my prio for the Skull Panda, I would not be purchasing anymore. But here I am. I have 2 boxes of the Skull Panda Winter Symphony. So I'm so excited. And hopefully, guys, I would be getting good ones. So as you know, last week we got Ode to Coco, we have Partira, and of course my super favorite, my number 1 choice, which I was so surprised I got, we have Song of Snow. So what we don't have here, so we don't have Rock On, we don't have Rhapsody, and we don't have Wanderer's Tune. So hopefully, guys, I get any of those 3 and not a duplicate. So now let us unbox. So guys, as mentioned, I really hate the new packaging, so I'm just going to slice them at the bottom parts, as you can see. Okay, so I was able to remove that. So now let me just get the packaging first, and I will just be checking the card first, guys. So here we have a sealed packaging, and then where is the card? Okay, here she is. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, oh no. So we have our very first, oh my god, this is not good. So we have our very first duplicate. So we have Ode to Coco. So this one, guys, I would not be opening because as you know, this is my second Ode to Coco. I love mine, but since this is my second one, definitely I'm going to resell this one. So guys, if you are interested, kindly let me know. But definitely, I would be rehoming her to someone who really loves and doesn't have any Ode to Coco yet. So now let us check out my second Skull Panda Winter Symphony. I'm so excited, and again, I would be crossing my fingers that I would be getting a good one. So guys, this just arrived today from this packaging from POPMART online store. So let me just open this really quickly. We have a very big box, and the reason why we have a very big box is because we did receive a gift with purchase, as you can see. So we have, of course, we have the Winter Symphony over here, and then we have the super cute. So this is a free gift with purchase, and I think the reason why I still got this one is because I was swayed with the free gift with purchase. So this is the Pucky lightning cable POPMART Pucky. So this is super cute. So it would come with 12 design. So this is the very first time that I'm getting a cable from POPMART. So let me just see if it would focus. Can you see? If you cannot see, guys, maybe I'm just going to put a photo right beside on the screen. So let us unbox this first and see what we would be getting. Guys, are you also like that? Like you couldn't help yourself if, for example, there would be a free gift with purchase. So here she is. This is super nice. I love the packaging. At least this one is a lot easier. Okay, so wow. As you can see, this is the packaging for the Pucky cake. Okay. Oh wow, I already saw it. Oh my god, oh wow, this is super nice. This is it, guys. This is super cute. Oh wow. So as you can see, this is Pucky, and this is like periwinkle or lavender color, and of course I would be using this for my iPhone. And what I love, it comes with this teeny tiny charm. There, teeny tiny heart charm. And I believe it comes with a oh no, it's not. I thought it was a card, but it looks like this. Does anyone have a cable from POPMART? Super cute. I was supposed to get the demo one, but the demo one, so this is a lighting cable. So this is just like an instruction. The demo one ran out, but still luckily I was able to get my Pucky one, which definitely I'm very happy because I would be able to use this one. So now let us move on to the Skull Panda. Alright guys, so now for the second Skull Panda Winter Symphony. So I have just already slashed the bottom part so that I could preserve the packaging. And of course, I would want to get, honestly, here I would want to get Rock On and Rhapsody. And then the third one is Wanderer's Tune. Oh my god, guys. My heart is kind of racing. So let me just do this. I don't know, my heart is really racing, guys. So let me just do this first. So here we have, and then of course, where's the card? 3, 2, 1. Who did we get? Oh my god, yay! Wow, love it. Okay, so this is my fourth one. So we have Wondrous Tune. So she's my third one, but definitely taking her because she is not a duplicate. Yay, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh wait. Oh wow. Her head is wow, her head is flat like this at the back. I never imagined that her head is flat. Maybe for it to be better when we are going to carry on our bag. So let me just take a look at Wondrous Tune. I'm so happy. So this is my fourth Skull Panda that is not a duplicate. Wow, super nice. I was kind of worried when I saw the card because I was thinking, did I get another Ode to Coco because they are of the same colorway? So as you know, Skull Panda, what I really love about them, of course, the very beautiful makeup of Skull Panda. The eyes are movable, guys, as you know. And I just recently discovered that some of them, you could rotate their head. So this one, you could rotate very lightly. So this is the head. I love, of course, this type of hairstyle. Others don't like the curly hair, but honestly, I prefer the curly hair for Skull Panda. And of course, we have here the ear balls like this, the signature Skull Panda. And of course, she has this reindeer ears over here. And I love the outfit of Ode to Coco. So the fabric, as you can see, it's like the fabric for sweater over here, like the knitted cable or cable sweater, is that what you call it? And of course, she has a stole just like Partita. So I'm so happy. Then of course, she has, oh wow, so she has a heart embroidery when you are going to put her clothes up. And guys, I've also just discovered that you could make her sit down. Can you make her sit down? This one, no, this one you cannot, because one of my Skull Panda, I'm able to rotate the limbs so she can sit down, but still I'm very perfectly happy with my Skull Panda because this is not duplicate. And of course, her eyes, so one eye has like star, and then one eye is that like moon or something. So as you know, you could move the eyes like this and make her look silly, or just like the normal eyes for this one. So this is a definite yes, and I'm so happy. Oh my god, I'm so happy that I was able to get my fourth Skull Panda that is not a duplicate. Alright guys, so last two. So we have another Skull Panda over here. That is from their latest collection, the Mirage Series. It's a figurine and it's my very first Skull Panda figurine. And of course, before we do the Skull Panda, we have here another free gift with purchase. I purchased this one. I'm so lucky, from the official online store via TikTok, and the very first one who's going to purchase would be receiving a gift. And I got this one. So of course, as you know me, just like with the Demu, definitely we need to, if there's a free gift with purchase, so it is a definite yes for us. So this one, so this is a pop display box. This is my very first, second one that I got. The very first one is also a free gift with purchase from POPMART. I guess I'm so lucky with those free gift with purchase. So this is exclusively for the Mega Space Molly. So I have not seen this one, and I think this is smaller compared to the very first one that I got. So let us see and check it out first. And I'm so happy that I also got this one because, as you know, couple of unboxing ago, I was able to unbox one of my favorite Mega Space Molly, which is this pink one. So here she is. Oh wow, oh wow, super nice. I love it. I love it. So as you can see here, I'm not sure if you could see, guys, there is the face of Molly. That's the logo of Molly. It says Space Molly. Super nice. And where's the door? So last time I also had difficult, oh there. So there is the door, and this is the one that I got, guys. The most recent Mega Space Molly that I got, which I am so happy because she is one of my prio. So she is like, you know, transparent in her body. So let us try her. There. So there. So now my Mega Space Molly has a house. Super cute, and I believe you could also purchase this one directly from POPMART store. So I love it. Thank you so much, POPMART. Yay! So now let us move on to my next Skull Panda. Alright, so for the very last Skull Panda for the series today, so we have here, as mentioned earlier, this is the Mirage series, and this is my very first time unboxing. Number one, this very latest collection from Skull Panda, and number two, my very first figurine of the Skull Panda. So this one I got also during the launch of this collection last Friday. So here we have our characters, the hill sensor, the puppetry, the frame. I'm going to put a photo here, guys. The Prickit, the skeleton, the Kung Hu, the carousel lantern, the Ganta, the pan flute. Total overall characters are 9, and then of course there is one secret. So my top 2 choices, number 1 is the lantern, and number 2 is the Genta, because both of these characters you could remove entirely the panda from the orb, and then the others you cannot remove them. But there is like trending TikTok right now, wherein there is a tutorial on how you could remove this. So but still I would want to get my top 2. So let's cross our fingers. So how do we do this, guys? So hopefully the packaging is not very difficult to open. Okay. I would be removing the card first, guys, because I've seen couple of unboxing and the card is always on top. So I don't want to look at the card first. So there, I have removed the card. So here, as you can see, and this is a very beautiful packaging, guys. It beats, you know, the Louis Vuitton packaging, as you can see, and this is actually a lot more expensive compared to just the regular figurine of Skull Panda. So 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it's the blue one, guys. It's the blue one. So she comes with a case, a case like this. Okay, the forbidden snack as what they call it. And what do we have? Oh, this is for the case. It's not inside the case. So as you can see, very beautiful packaging. And now let us check this out first. 3, 2, 1. Let's be careful. Oh my god. Wow, I also love this one. I did not get my top 2, but this one, guys, the hill sensor. I also love this one because as you can see, we can see the entire beauty of Skull Panda. So let me just remove some of the... Wow, super nice, super nice. So can we remove? Okay, so as you can see, guys, I was able to remove the half of the crystals, and as you can see, this is Skull Panda over here. Her name is Hill Sensor. Super nice, super nice, super nice. Let me just take a closer look. I love, of course, the makeup, guys. Wow, super nice. Oh wow, should I get another one? This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous, right? So I don't think there is, as you can see, that is the face, the makeup of Skull Panda. And then I love, of course, the background of this hill sensor character. This one, guys, I believe this is a smoke. So it's kind of soft. There, kind of soft and malleable. And of course, we have the very beautiful Skull Panda. And of course, if we are going to put the orb like this, let me just, okay. Oh. They do it right. Yes, so even though we are going to put the orb like this, we can still enjoy the beauty of how there. So if we're going to put it inside this, so this, guys, this comes with, so that when we are going to display Skull Panda, just put the groove, the orb on the groove, and then like this you could display it like this, and I believe so it could be like this. I really love this one. I'm so happy and I'm so satisfied with my new Skull Panda series. So what is your favorite, guys, on the new Skull Panda series? Kindly comment down below. There's, I'm not sure if you could see, so that's how it would look like, the new Skull Panda series. You could definitely display her. Did you enjoy our episode for today? If you did, guys, kindly leave me a orb emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 to 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!